Want to get free upgrades to suites like this? In this video, I'll explain what Marriott Suite Night Awards are and how you get them. Then I'll show you how to apply them to reservations on the Marriott website. So let's start off with what Suite Night Awards are. These are awards with Marriott that you can use to upgrade your room from a standard room to a suite or other nicer room. Once you've applied them to your reservation, then starting 5 days before your stay, the hotel will check to see if the suites that you've requested are available. If they are, you should see an email that your Suite Night Award was accepted. It's also possible that it gets rejected, in which case the Suite Night Award will be returned to your account. If you want to use Suite Night Awards, then you must have enough for the entire duration of your stay. This means that if you have a 5-night stay, then you'll need 5 Suite Night Awards, one for each night of your stay. Suite Night Awards can be used at most hotels in the Marriott portfolio, except for the ones belonging to the brands listed on screen. So this is not the way to get a fancy suite at a Ritz-Carlton. You can earn up to 10 Suite Night Awards in a calendar year based on how much you stay with Marriott. Once you reach 50 nights, then you'll get the option to select 5 Suite Night Awards as your annual choice benefit. And once you reach 75 nights, then you'll get the option to select 5 more. These are the same as the regular requirements to get Marriott Platinum and Titanium status. But you don't just automatically get the option to pick Suite Night Awards if you earned your Marriott status through a different method. So that means that if you got status through a status match or if you have lifetime Marriott status, then you still need to stay the required number of nights if you want Suite Night Awards. But it is possible to shortcut your way to 50 and 75 nights if you have certain credit cards from the United States. Specifically, if you have a personal Marriott credit card, you'll get 15 night credits. And if you have a business credit card as well, you'll get an additional 15 night credits. This means that you'd only need to stay an additional 20 nights in order to reach the 50-night requirement. With the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless card, you'll earn 1 night credit for every $5,000 you spend. There's links in the description of this video if you want to find out more about these credit cards. Do be aware though that the sign-up bonuses for them change from time to time, so make sure that an offer is competitive before you sign up. Suite Night Awards typically expire at the end of the year after the year that you earned them. If you go to the activity page in the Marriott website, you can see how many Suite Night Awards you have and their expiration dates. To apply a Suite Night Award to a reservation, on the Marriott website, go to My Trips. Scroll down to the trip that you want and click View/Modify. If the hotel is accepting Suite Night Awards, you'll see an option to Start Upgrade Request. After you click on that, you can select the checkboxes for the room types that you want, and then at the bottom, click Submit Upgrade Request. You should shortly get an email from Marriott that they've received your Suite Night Award request. If you found this video helpful, make sure to let the like button know and consider checking out my other videos about the Marriott Bonvoy loyalty program.